Imagine waking up to a mountain sunrise, stepping out of your camper, coffee in hand, and realizing your entire home just carried you there with power, comfort, and style. That's exactly the promise of the all-new 2026 GMC Motorhome Camper Truck. And today on Road Trip Vlogs, we're diving deep into why this machine is redefining modern road travel and long-distance adventure. The 2026 GMC Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade for people who refuse to choose between freedom and reliability. Built on a heavy-duty GMC truck platform, this camper truck feels strong and confident from the very first glance. The bold GMC grille, sharp LED lighting, wide stance, and aerodynamic camper body give it a commanding road presence. It's designed to look powerful on highways while remaining capable on rough back roads, gravel paths, and remote destinations. Under the hood, GMC brings serious muscle. The 2026 model is expected to feature a next-generation turbo diesel engine with improved fuel efficiency and torque delivery, paired with an intelligent automatic transmission. This combination makes towing, hill climbing, and long highway drives feel effortless. The upgraded suspension system absorbs road imperfections smoothly, reducing driver fatigue and keeping passengers comfortable even on long journeys. Step inside, and you instantly feel the difference. The interior of the 2026 GMC Motorhome Camper Truck feels like a modern mobile apartment. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and smart ambient lighting create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The seating area easily converts into a sleeping space, offering a comfortable bed designed for real rest, not just short naps. Storage is cleverly integrated everywhere, allowing you to carry clothes, gear, and essentials without clutter. The kitchen area is compact but extremely practical. It includes a modern stove, sink, refrigerator, and enough counter space to prepare meals comfortably. Whether you're cooking a quick snack or enjoying a peaceful dinner in the middle of nature, this setup supports life on the road perfectly. The bathroom area offers privacy, cleanliness, and thoughtful design, proving that comfort doesn't have to be sacrificed while traveling. Technology is where the 2026 GMC Motorhome truly shines. A large infotainment screen, advanced navigation built for large vehicles, wireless connectivity, multiple charging ports, and premium sound transform every drive into a smooth experience. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras make maneuvering this motorhome easier and safer, even in tight spaces. What truly sets this camper truck apart is its off-grid capability. With available solar panels, efficient battery systems, and smart energy management, you can stay powered even when parked far from civilization. This means more freedom, more exploration, and fewer limits on where your journey can take you. The 2026 GMC Motorhome Camper Truck is more than transportation. It's about waking up in new places, chasing horizons, and turning every mile into a memory. For anyone who dreams of endless roads and unforgettable adventures, this motorhome is ready to take you there. Keep exploring, keep traveling, and stay tuned with Road Trip Vlogs for more epic journeys.